Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be doing those short passion twists that you saw in the intro earlier. I went ahead and I put my hair in box little sections. The hair that I'll be using is this Outrehair Bohemian Curl twisted up hair. So I took the hair from the packet and I cut it in two because I'm doing short twists, so there's no need for me to have this long hair. So I cut it in two straight down the middle and I ended up with those pieces that you saw. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle and I'll take about 5 to 6 pieces of the hair, and then I'm gonna crochet that hair through my already sectioned box, and I put the crochet needle under the rubber band. And when you're going to do this, you might not want to try to put all the hair through at once, because doing this it made the hair really tangled. All the hair did not go through at once, so you might want to do like 3 pieces and then you do another 3, because doing it all at once, that wasn't a good idea. Anyways, I crochet the hair under the rubber band, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of gel to the end of my hair before I start twisting the hair. This is to ensure that the hair does not seep through, or the hair is not showing, my natural hair is not showing through the twist. So I put a little bit of gel and then I started twisting the hair to make sure it's locked in place. The way that I'm twisting the hair, this is a new way that I learned. I originally twist like over, and this is like twisting under. This is kind of more difficult for me, but I find that this way actually help the twist to stay and it doesn't get too loose or it doesn't detangle. And you want to ensure that when you're doing the twist that you turn the hair, because this also tightens it. So this is my first twist, and I'm gonna go ahead and put rubber bands on the hands because I cut the hair, so now the end of the hair is like blunt and not like feathered anymore. So if you don't put like a rubber band, your twist is gonna come loose. So I had the rubber band to like hold that in place, and then when I'm finished, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the end, so at least I have the hair a little bit even and not some hanging low and some hanging high. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you again. The hair is not like equal size. Some of the strand of hair that came in the package, some of it is short, thin, some of it is thick. So I'm using like 6 pieces, sometimes I'm using 7, sometimes I'm using 8, and it all depends on the thickness of the hair. So as you can see, I still went ahead and I try to get all the hair in at once through the crochet needle. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so but you got to do what works for you. But I think it's really easier if you do like separate the hair in 2 and then put like some first with your crochet needle horizontal, and then you put like the others with your crochet needle in like a vertical position, and that will really ensure that your twist is going to stay in place. So this is the under twist that I was talking about that I learned. I really like this twist better than the original, like I said, because it makes the twist looks more sleek and it does hold it in place. this is a really close-up demonstration of the twist. If you watch my fingers, you can see that as I twist, I turn the hair and then I bring it under, and this is a guarantee for your twist to stay in place. You have to turn the hair. If you don't, you're gonna have a loose twist, unless you're going for like a loose look, and I wasn't going for it to be loose. I wanted it to be tight and to stay in place. And you also want to make sure you put some kind of moisturizer or some kind of gel on your hair, because your hair will stick out and you don't want that to happen. So put something on your natural hair to hold it in the twist. And then because of the bluntness, like I explained earlier, I put the rubber band so it doesn't come loose. So in this twist right here, this is where I'm doing the original twist. If you look closely, you can see how my fingers are going over this time and not under. And the twist does look the same. If you come close to the hair, you maybe could have tell the difference, but from a distance they look identical. Like you couldn't tell the difference looking from a distance, or like if you didn't know, you can't tell the difference. So I did both twists, whatever was comfortable for me at the time. I did both, and my hair turned out really great and my twists were looking good. So whichever way you know how to twist, you can go ahead and do it that way, and your style will still be bomb. Just turn the hair with your finger as you twist, and that will guarantee that it won't be loose if you're going for like a more tighter look. So I was originally going to do my hair in neon green because I have neon green hair, and I was a bit scared, so I decided to just put like two pieces in the front to kind of give the hairstyle a little pop of color. I am gonna go ahead and do that hairstyle, so that look out for that video. It's coming soon with the neon green twist. So I just use like one piece from the pack. I cut it in two, and so it's the same length as the hair that I'm using, and I'm just using like a half in one section in the front, and then I'm gonna use the other half in the other section. I just wanted to like give a bit of color in the hairstyle to make it a little bit more, you know, popping. So yeah, I just had that two pieces to the front, and it really made the hairstyle stand out. So go ahead and watch and you will see what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna go ahead and twist. This is the under twist here I'm doing in the front. This is, as you can see. So like I said earlier, more than once, just turn your hair while you twist. Turn it with your fingers, like do like a I don't know how to explain that, but just turn it like right here. If you watch my fingers, I kind of turn the hair to tighten it, like make it into a roll, and then you twist it and it will stay in place, guaranteed. just cutting off some of the loose ends, some of the ends just below the rubber band to kind of even up the style a little bit, to kind of give it like a more neater look. And then right here I'm just attempting to lay my edges down. I'm not a good baby hair slayer, but I take gel and I lay my edges down so they can look somewhat decent. And yeah, that's the style. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you enjoy it, please leave a thumbs up, share this video, like it. Just a thumbs up, yeah. But yeah, leave a thumbs up, share my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, leave a comment below, and please help a sister grow. Let's get to 1,000 views on this video, and I'll catch you soon for another one. Thank you. Bye.